Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. And these are general collective readings, Leo. Will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and simply leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my lions and lionesses, my Leo gang, and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin your reading, and yes, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. And if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the cards I have on the table, Leo. Oh, the star card. Star card, bottom of my deck. Somebody is shining here, Leo. Or somebody is wishing and praying or healing. I don't know. We'll clarify these cards as we go by. The cards I have on the table for you are the Lovers, the Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, center of my spread. So somebody wants to take an emotional or a loving offer, or maybe just a flirty romantic offer. The Hanged Man, the Ten of Cups, the King of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune. All right, Leo. I wonder who this is, who's getting all romantic here. This could be you, Leo. This could be the cross watcher coming towards you, right? So let's start with some dialogue message cards and see what's going on in this scenario here. If you guys would say something to each other, what that would be first. So Leo and their person, spirit. Leo and their person, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Leo and their person. Okay, let's take a few from here. Leo and their person, if they could say something to each other. Leo and their person. One more, spirit, please. All right. And let's take a few from here, which are messages from the heart. All right, Leo, let's begin your reading. I'm all set to go. So the first card I have here says, I'm healing from deep trauma after losing you in the physical world. On reflection, I realized my inability to put myself first let me down. But as you're my mirror, I feel I ultimately let you down. I'm so sorry I couldn't be there for you when you needed me the most. I didn't know how to make myself a priority, and in not doing so, I lost the biggest part of me, you. I did see that somebody needed to make a choice, maybe didn't make it, maybe was very stagnant in their approach, and they've lost this chance to have this brand new beginning. But I do see somebody wanting to return or come back or give a romantic offer once again. Second card says, I'm willing to offer an olive branch to you. Yeah. I'm willing to offer an olive branch to you if I'm able to communicate with you. I would gladly accept an olive branch from you. I long for peace and I miss you. Next one says, I get so triggered seeing you do things for others that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are you wasting time for? Not talking to you absolutely breaks my heart and soul into a billion shattered pieces. I want to reach out to you, but I can't find the right words, and I'm feeling so fragile right now. Yeah, somebody really wants this balance to be brought back. This equal give and take, and in a partnership they have romantic feelings. They've realized maybe at one point they didn't make that decision, and now they're stuck here. They can't find the words, and what do I say now? How do I bring this balance back? Though we cannot meet or see each other, still I love you more every day. My heart belongs to you for eternity. Yeah, somebody's really got romantic feelings here. I have the Ten of Cups up right here as well. Somebody sees that this has the potential of going the long haul or having a happily ever after. Next card. I love you not only for your beauty but for your soul. Our love will be alive forever because of the way you are. Pure, true, authentic, real, raw, and passionate. What I'm in most in need of, you cannot give me. Maybe time or a choice to be made, or maybe somebody is feeling, they're not in the right place, maybe financially, or still working on balancing or feeling a bit ungrounded in their world at the moment. They feel they should be offering much more, but right now maybe they're not ready. So, let's see. I'm working through issues with my family. Yes, I do see a masculine here who's feeling a bit ungrounded. This could be financial problems, this could be, family problems, I don't know what, but they feel very, very stuck right now and unable to make a move, even though they want to. They do see the potential in this connection, but right now they feel they're not ready yet. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. My God, this is like Aries got this card as well. Now Leo's getting this card. What is it with the society nowadays? People fall in love and they still don't want to commit. All right, so let's see. Let's take an angel blessing card to see how my angels can help, maybe with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my lions and lionesses. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Leo gang, please. And then after that, we'll clarify the reading. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo, please, my angels. Higher education. Yeah, somebody needs to, either is maybe seriously busy at the moment, learning, doing things, but this card sometimes symbolizes tapping into your spirituality. You have to kind of elevate yourself to recognize what you really, what is really important. Higher education, yeah, I mean, like I said, in the 3D world, you could take it as, you need to still work on certain things, you need to learn a few more things, but since this is a tarot card reading and I'm asking my angels, this could also mean like a soulmate connection which one needs to work on. So let's put this card here and start clarifying these cards. So the Lovers and the Knight of Pentacles, Spirit. Lovers and the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody didn't fight for this connection when it was time, didn't make that decision, right? This could have been a divinely guided connection. Maybe the angels brought it together, but somebody didn't put in the work here. Somebody didn't fight for this connection, didn't put in the work, and that's the reason there's a bit of stagnancy here in this dynamic now. Knight of Pentacles, Spirit. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody took it too slow and maybe lost their chance to have this stable, brand new beginning, which was offered by the universe here, I think. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Yes, see, there was a chance here. This relationship could have really been, had the potential of having a passion. Look at all this. Ace of Wands was possible. Ace of Pentacles was possible. There was passion. There was stability. But now both are in reverse because of somebody not making a choice here. Of being too slow and not really fighting for this connection or giving it time when the time was right. So, Ace of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Leo, of course, this could be you. Or this could be your cross watcher who really got pissed off and got really angry and got very upset that, hey, you're taking too long, you are wasting time, and okay, so I'm not interested either. I don't want to have this fresh new beginning with you. This is somebody who's upset. So now what's happening, Spirit, with the Six of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups? Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Somebody's lost trust here. Somebody's lost trust in this connection to say, hey, I can't be the only one who's always stressing out or all overthinking and wondering whether, somebody's going to move towards me or not. Somebody's lost their drive, passion, and trust regarding this connection, that it can ever become this equal partnership of having balanced equal give and take. Maybe somebody really was looking forward to that, and because the other person never made that choice on time to give and take equally, somebody is now saying, I'm not going to stay single-handedly being stressed out all by myself. I'm angry and upset with you. Simple as that. So Knight of Cups, Spirit. Knight of Cups. Is somebody now returning, or what is this? Knight of Cups. Yeah, somebody wants to apologize now. Look at this. Somebody says, hey, I'm sorry. I should have been romantic earlier. I should have said the right things earlier. I should have made that choice earlier. And I'm so sorry I didn't say, or do the right thing at the right time. Will you forgive me? That is sweet, Leo. But they're still in the Hanged Man's place. I don't think they have the words right now. They don't know what to say. So, Hanged Man, Spirit? Hanged Man? Yeah, they feel whatever silly mind game or whatever they played, they are the loser now, because they lost out on a very good opportunity. Now they're seeing things from all different sides, and they're trying to figure out why their partner's upset and angry with them, why this relationship is not working. Now it's kind of that epiphany is happening, where they're trying to figure out what to do now. They do want to take action. Leo, this is your card, okay? The King of Wands is a Leo card. So now somebody is woken up to the connection. I do have romantic feelings. I do want this passion. I do want to apologize. And all this silly mind games that I played has kind of, backfired. And, I'm the loser here. What do I do? What can I say now to make it better? So, Hanged Man, Spirit? Hanged Man? One more? Hanged Man? Yes, they want to have a re-beginning, have a restart. Can we begin again? Can we start again? But still trying to figure out how they can make it happen. So, Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. What's this Ten of Cups? Ten of Cups. Somebody's not feeling very, very sure of themselves here, Leo. King of Pentacles in reverse, King of Pentacles in reverse. They feel they've probably lost their chance here now. They feel that they've already been released because of the bad behavior or something. Now they are wishing for this Ten of Cups, but they are feeling a little insecure at the moment. Can I ever achieve this? I feel, I didn't bring justice to my person on time, and maybe I've already been released now. So this person is feeling very, very ungrounded and insecure. Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Spirit. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Yes, they feel they got bad luck now because they never put in the work and the time was right. Now they're feeling stuck. They feel this relationship is kind of stuck at the moment because of their own ungrounded behavior, not putting in the work. One more, Spirit. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Maybe they see their partner also as angry and upset and no longer working on this connection with them. Yes, now they are kind of recognizing that how much passion they have for their person, but it's the same. First card and the last card are the same. It's the Lovers, the choice that should have been made. Yes, they feel they feel because they didn't put in the work on time, they've lost their chance for having this beautiful connection, all because of this choice which was never made on time, all because of the work that was not put in on time. They probably feel now they're stuck and they have bad luck now. Things are not going to move anymore. They're feeling very ungrounded, Leo. This could be you, could be a person, I don't know. This person feeling very, very unstable and insecure, not knowing how to now apologize. They do have the romantic feelings, they do want to have a restart, but now they're a little afraid because they fear the wrath of this queen who doesn't trust them anymore. Okay, so somebody is wishing, somebody is praying, somebody is hoping for the best. So let's see in our future readings what's going to come up. That's all I have for you for the Love Bite. Take care, love and light. Namaste, Leo. See you soon.